let's get to know the Atlantic TT series pumps. The TT5000 we're looking at today is in the middle of the range of TT series pumps. Below it are the TT1500, 2000, 3000, and 4000. Above it are the 6000, 7500, and the massively powerful TT9000. All the pumps in the series share a number of features. The motors are quiet and powerful for their size and wattage, and very energy efficient. Oversized intake screens are hard to clog and easy to clean, with replaceable impellers and volutes for long service life. They are all variable speed capable with the optional variable speed controller via the Atlantic Control app. This makes them the ideal pump for most water feature applications, from waterfalls to filtration, especially where the ability to slow or pause the pump, at night for instance, or for feeding koi, is desired. TT's 1500 through 4000 draw 101 to 230 watts, have shutoffs between 15 and 21 feet, an 1.5 inch male threaded inlet outlets. The TT5000 we're looking at today shares the size and 2-inch male inlet outlet of the similar TT6000. Shutoffs are at 22 and 23 feet respectively, and wattages are 310 and 334. The largest pair in the line are a size larger with a 2x3 inlet outlet, 2-inch female on the inside, 3-inch male on the outside. The TT7500 draws 520 watts and shuts down at 25 feet, while the TT9000 draws 587 and has a 28-foot shutoff. All the TTs have variable speed capability. Just plug them into the tidal wave variable speed control and you can adjust the output of the pump from 25% to 100% via buttons on the control unit or through the mobile application. All TT pumps have a 20-foot cord and carry a 3-year warranty. Opening the box, you'll find the instruction manual right on top. Flip the box over to shake the pump out of its snug packing, and you'll note the weight of the TT5000. This is a lot of pump in a small footprint. A 2-inch barbed by male thread adapter is included for lower flow applications, but if you want to get all the flow this pump is capable of, bump up to 3-inch pipe to avoid flow losses due to friction. The intake screen is open on all sides, even towards the back, to cut down on suction that might trap debris on the screen, and its deep ribbing keeps flat leaves or paper debris from blocking the flow. The screen removes easily without tools, as does the volute. The screen has a built-in wrench that unlocks the rotor for cleaning or replacement. Reassembly is just as easy. The rotor goes in, the built-in wrench locks it in place, the volute twists back on, the screen keeps the volute from twisting, and the 2 clips lock everything securely in place. And that's everything you need to know about the Atlantic TT5000 pump, but we're afraid to ask. Don't forget to like, follow, and share us on social media. Check out our website and YouTube channel for videos and more in-depth information on this and all our products. See you in the next video.